gusto ko ng maanggot. Ang anggot ko ang kandig din ako, lampas na sa height ko. Ilang korto na yan? Masimula pa lang. Lima nga ni yan. Majambol pa lang ba yun? Sige na, matahaw na ako na nagabot mo si Rasko. Tinatamad na ako. Lugi.
Jumbo International Santa Kuning. Turn over. Morada. Morada. Ramores. Relaxa. Wow. Number 7. I-52. Saludos. Praise Krishna now. Praise Paul. Thank you. No good. Torres. Wow. Comfort basket. Number 23. Rabores. Christmas number. Christine Powell. One shot awarded to Goles. Basket. Play one shot. Second shift, no good. One basket. Loose ball. Turn over. Remaining time was 4 minutes and 12 seconds. Play one shot. Basket. Morhada. Good for 2 points by Morhada. Remaining time was 4 minutes. Renansha pass back to Renansha. Pass to 52nd shoot. Good for 2 points by Gomez. Remaining time was 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Morhada. Pass to. No good. Turn over.
Talagang seryoso kayo, nag-electric fan pa kayo?
Remaining time was 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Ross. Pass to. Saludes to Morhada. Just number 5. Renansha. Good for 2 points back. Number 9. Remaining time was 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Goles. Pass to Morhada. No good. The ball by Morhada. 10-second shoot. Good for 2 points by Morhada. Remaining time was 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 50-second shoot. Good for 2 points by Gomez. The remaining time was 2 minutes and 39 seconds. 50-second shoot. Good for 2 points by Mendoza. The remaining time was 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Renansha. 50-second shoot. Same ball. Foul. Number 3. Aboni. First and second, Reinancia, 10 seconds shoot. Intercepted by Saludes. It's a juggling violation. Remaining time is 1 minute and 58 seconds. Reinancia, 57 shoot. No good. Good point to points 5. Gomez. Remaining time is 1 minute and 40 seconds. Gomez, no good.
Wow! Safe!
Intercepted by Morada to Gomez. To Gomez. Good point to points by Gomez. Remaining time is 1 minute and 22 seconds. Reserve timeout. Announcement po, yung mga tayo po punta po dito sa harapan ng management area. Thank you so much. Bawal po ang player na nasa loob. No good. Rebound by Torres. Remaining time is 1 minute. Morana. Decepted by De Los Santos. Pass through. Gomez. Gomez. Good point to points by Gomez. I salute it. Gomez. Remaining time is 41 seconds. 15 seconds shoot. No good. Same ball. Remaining time is 37 seconds. 12 seconds shot clock. Gomez. Pass to Morada. Tries to 3. No good. Good points to points by Mendoza. Remaining time is 28 seconds. Decepted by Saludes to Morada. Good point to points by Morada. Remaining time is 17 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Good point to points by last 5. Morada, last 1. And the first quarter. Second quarter. Running score 15-12 in favor of Rebound Hoops. Reinancia. Pass to Matungan. Reinancia. Good point to points by Gomez. Gomez. Pass to Morada. Intercepted by Morada. Foul. Number 20. Rostov. First personal foul. First team foul. Morada. Pass to Mendoza. No good. Foul. Number 20. Rostov. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Hindi siya.
23, Matungan. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 bonus shot rewarded to Mendoza. First throw. Basket. Second and last throw. Jumpers ready. Basket. Rasta. Pass to Matungan. 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 Rebounded by Gomez. Pass to Matungan. Intercepted by Gomez. Matungan. Good point to points by Matungan. Morada. Morada. 15 seconds to shoot. Abrera. Pass to Morada. Last 10 seconds to shoot. No good. 5 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by Gomez. Pass to Morada. Good point, 2 points by Morada. Gomez. Pass to Reynancia. Ramos. No good. Rebounded by Gomez. Pass to Morada. It's offensive foul. By Morada. Timeout call. Reynancia. Pass to Matundan. Reynancia. No good. Rebounded by Wallace. Pass to Mendoza. It's a traveling violation committed by Mendoza. Matundan. Pass to Reynancia. Reynancia. 16 seconds to shoot. Good point, 3 points by Reynancia. Wallace. Pass to Morada. That's 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Abrera. No good. Rebounded by Wallace. Foul. Foul number 25. Gomez. First personal foul, third team foul. 2 bonus shot. Gomez po. 2 bonus shot rewarded to Gomez. Last 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Basket. Second and last throw, jumpers ready. Basket. Matundan. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Loose ball. Turnover. Save ball. Reynancia. Pass to Ramos, intercepted by Morada. Good point, 2 points by Morada. Last 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Reynancia. Pass to Matundan. Intercepted by De La Rosa. Pass to Gomez. Abrera. Pass to Mendoza. No good. Intercepted by Ramos. Gomez. Gomez. Pass to Morada. Abrera. Good point, 2 points by Mendoza. Reynancia was 1 minute and 25 seconds. No good. Miss ball. Save ball. 16 seconds shot clock. Matundan. Pass to Gomez. To Reynancia. No good. Foul number 20. Rasco. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Morada. Pass to Gomez. Back to Morada. That's 1 minute and 4 seconds. Morada. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Good point, 2 points by De La Rosa. Matundan. Last 49 seconds. Reynancia. Good point, 3 points by Reynancia. Last 40 seconds. Morada. 16 seconds to shoot. Golas. Good for 2 points by Golas. Last 24 seconds. Matundan. Last 20 seconds. Golas. Wow. Number 5. Mendoza. First personal foul, first team foul. 3 bonus shot rewarded to Gomez. The serve's up. Second throw. No basket. Third and last throw. Jumpers ready. Sabrat. Mendoza out. Ross coming in. Last 17 seconds. De La Rosa. Pass to Morada. Morada. Pass to Abrera. De La Rosa. Last 10 seconds. No good. De La Rosa. No good. It's offensive foul. Last 6 seconds. De La Rosa. First personal foul. Last 6 seconds. Reynancia. Last 4. No good. Running score, 29-23.
Walang tiwala sa player niya.
Rebound hoops.
Walang tiwala nga sa player, yan mo na.
Ross. Mendoza. Down. Number 10.
Yan mo na.
Los Santos. First personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot rewarded to Apun. First throw. No basket.
Management decision, management.
Second and last throw, jumpers ready. No basket. Matundan. Pass to Gomez.
Tangina mo!
Points by Gomez. Mendoza. Pass to Gomez. Last 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Saludas. No good. Good point to points by Apuni. De Los Santos. Matundan. Pass to Reynancia. No good. Bounded by Apuni. Pass to Golas. Last 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
Nice.
Matundan. Good point to points by Matundan. Saludas. Last 4 minutes. No good. Rebounded by De Los Santos. Pass to Golas. Matundan. Loose ball. Turnover. Golas. Pass to Ross. 16 seconds to shoot. Mendoza. Pass to Ross. Good point, 2 points by Ross. Ramones. Pass to Reynancia. Good point.
3.2.
Good for 3 points. Mendoza. Good for 2 points by Mendoza. De Los Santos. Pass to Reynancia. Good for 3 points by Reynancia.
3J yan ang masyadong mundo eh.
Pass to Ross. Pass to Golas. Good. This ball, same ball.
out dahil sa...
Time out ball by Repro Hoops. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Matundan, Pastor Ramones, Dr. Matundan. Ramones, De Los Santos. Good point, 3 points by De Los Santos. Nakunin, Pastor Morada. Last 2 minutes. Saludes. 16 seconds to shoot. Good point, 3 points by Morada. De Los Santos. Pastor Matundan. Just 1 minute and 43 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. Matundan. Pastor De Los Santos. 10 seconds to shoot. Saludes. Pastor Mendoza. Good point, 2 points by Mendoza. Matundan. Just 1 minute and 20 seconds. Ray Nansha. No good. Rebounded by Gomez. No good. De Los Santos. Good point, 2 points by Gomez. Just 1 minute and 1 second. Morada. Pass to Saludes. No good. Rebounded. This ball. Turnover. Matundan, just 50 seconds. Reynansha. Reynansha. No good. Rebounded by Morada. Just 40 seconds. No good. Reynansha. Just 32 seconds. No good. Foul. Number 13, Morada.
Isa lang naman.
Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 bonus shot rewarded to Ramones. No good. Reserve sub. Second and last throw, jumpers ready. No good. Akunin, pass to Saludes. That's 23 seconds. No good. Rebounded by Reynansha. Sagat. Foul. Number 13, Morada. Third personal foul, second team foul. Last 15 seconds. Reynansha. Last 10. No good. Gales. Last 5. Abrera. Good for 2 points by Abrera. Score 44-41 in favor of Rebound Hoops. Morada. Pass to Abrera. Back to Morada. No good. Loose ball. Turnover. De Los Santos. Pass to Ramones. Matundan. Good.
Ang ina mo!
By Matundan. Mendoza. Pass to Morada. Gales. No good. Rebounded by Abrera. Pass to Morada. 14 seconds to shoot. Good point, 2 points by Akuni. Goles. Pass to Morada. Pass to Albrera. 16 seconds to shoot. Good for 2 points by Albrera. Reserve timeout. Matundan. Reynancia. No good. Rebounded by Albrera. Pass to Morada. Good for 2 points. Timeout goal by Basketballeros. Remaining time less 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Reynancia. Pass to Matundan. 15 seconds to shoot. Ramirez. Intercepted by Goles. Pass to Mendoza. Loose ball. Turnover. Matundan. Last 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Matundan. Pass to Ramirez. Foul. Number 3, Akunin. Second personal foul, first team foul. Two bonus shot rewarded to Ramirez. First row, no basket. Last 3 minutes and 2 seconds, reserve self. Second and last row, jumpers ready. Basket. Sabet. Akunin out. De La Rosa coming in. Goles. Pass to Morada. Abrera. Good for 2 points by De La Rosa. Last 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Matundan. Gomez. No good. Abrera. Pass to Morada. Good for 2 points by Morada. Matundan. Matundan. Pass to Santos. Good for 2 points by De Los Santos. Goles. Pass to Morada. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Foul. Number 23, Ramirez. Second personal foul, first team foul. Rebound shot rewarded to Mendoza. First row,
Hindi tayo mananalo dyan. Laruan nyo lang.
no basket.
Hayaan mo na, walang hangin yung pito.
Second and last row, jumpers ready. No basket. Basket, turnover. Last 2 minutes and 14 seconds.
47-54.
Matundan. De Los Santos. No good. Rebounded by Morada. Last 2 minutes. No good. Foul. Number 23, Ramirez. Third personal foul, second team foul. Sabrat. Abrera out. Villarta coming in. Two bonus shot rewarded to Mendoza. No basket. That's 1 minute and 56 seconds. Second and last row, jumpers ready. Basket. Matundan. Pass to Reynancia. That's 1 minute and 50 seconds. Matundan. No good. Rebounded by Morada. Same ball. That's 1 minute and 28 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Viriata. 9 seconds to shoot. Mendoza. 5 seconds to shoot. Good point to pass by Mendoza. De Los Santos pass to Reynancia. That's 1 minute and 12 seconds. Reynancia. 13 seconds to shoot. De Los Santos pass to Gomez. No good. Rebounded by De La Rosa. Pass to Mendoza. Last 56 seconds. Viriata. 15 seconds to shoot. Mendoza. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Morada. Last 44 seconds. Foul number 23. Ramones. Wiring for foul out. 13 foul. 14. 14 second shot clock. Viriata. Last 37 seconds. Foul. Number 23, Matungans. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Morada. Last 33 seconds. Mendoza. 8 seconds to shoot. Foul. Number 10, De Los Santos. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Ga.
That's 28 seconds.
Okay na. Ayan, para dito.
2 ball shot to one to Mendoza. No pass.
Hayaan mo na ha. Nasa tuya lang ang foul.